ब्रेस्तारा पोरयेची आमदार डॉ. देविया राणे हांच्यांनी रान खात्याच्या महामंडळाचो ताबो घेतलो. गोंयांत हिंटरलँड पर्यटनाक प्रोत्साहन दिवपाक जाय म्हूण डॉ. देविया राणे उलयल्या. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
आज फायनली एज चेअरमॅन हांवें चार्ज घेतला फॉरेस्ट कॉर्पोरेशनाचो आनी आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी. आज आमची अशी कॅज्युअल मिटींग जाली आनी आमचे MD इज व्हेरी proactive and very helpful, so I'm looking forward to doing a lot of changes in the corporation. I think tourism related खूप जावपाक शकता आमच्या corporation. That's what is my line of interest.
Village tourism
कितें म्हणलें?
Village tourism
Hinterland tourism, yes. कित्याक we have to change the perception of Goa. आमी सदां फक्त बीच म्हणटात. सगळे लोक जे गोंया येतात टुरिस्ट ते फक्त बिचा खातीर येतात. बट इट्स हाय टायम दॅट वी प्रमोट इंटरलँड टुरिजम इन गोवा. एंड आय थिंक विथ द हेल्प ऑफ Mr. Rane, Forest Minister, and our corporation, I'm sure, and with the tourism ministry, we'll be able to do this change in the next 5 years.
Corporation and challenges किती आसा सध्याच्या घडी?
Challenges अशे काय, because we have a lot of cashew plantation under the corporation. So the challenges म्हणटा ते positively. I have to see how to improve the corporation, how to improve the revenue for the corporation. Tourism related म्हणटकच definitely revenue improve जातलो आमच्या corporationाकय आनी आमचे गोंया खातीरय बी. So that is the challenge. How to get good high-end tourists to do all these activities and promote how we are going to promote hinterland tourism and the tourists are going to accept it, and how Goa we will be able to promote hinterland tourism and make them go into the forest, do that instead of only the beach.
कॉर्पोरेशन तुम्ही हॅपी आसा कारण तुमचे वोटर लास्ट टाइम तुमकां मिनिस्ट्री डिमांड करता.
Naturally, because they are major voters, so they would want the best for me, so they wanted me to become a minister. But see, you can't have two ministers in the same family, so there, and Vishwajit Rane has got the best of ministries, so my voters are very happy and I am very happy that I've got this corporation. It is a challenge, and I'm sure we will succeed and make this corporation into a big success.